Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use this CapCut filter to apply dreamy looks on your videos or photos in CapCut mobile. So in here, what you need to do is add your photos or video into CapCut and then go straight to filter, and here click on the scenery category, swipe and select this blur filter. So when you use this filter, you can adjust the intensity first, click on the check icon, and you'll get this dreamy look on your videos. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye!